And you have a very strong views on attrition rates, right?
Yes, I do. I come from a world in the past where if one person left our department, there was a steward's inquiry. You know, why is this one person left? What have we done wrong as a company? What have you done wrong as a manager that this person has left, right? So I come from that background. And then you move into, you know, the sort of shared service centre world, and you see 15, 18, 20% turnover rate. And this is just now become an accepted norm. And it's not, you know, that there is no need for attrition rates to be so high. And if you think about this, if you've got 100 people working in your team and you've got a 20% attrition rate, that means at any one time, 20 people are leaving, 20 people have just joined, so they don't have much skills. These are winding down. The 20 people leaving, you know, they're kind of getting indifferent to the job. The 20 people that just joined, they need to be upskilled,
Yes.
which means you need 20 other people to train them up. So that's 60 people already out of your 100 that are not working at full, you know, at their full potential. Your team leaders and managers are then spending too much of their time looking through CVs for the next lot. You know, so they're not actually doing the job either. So, yeah, and the bit that really drives me mad about this is that it's become an accepted norm that, oh, it's Gen X, Gen Y, Gen Z, they're lazy and they're disloyal and they're feckless and all this. It's absolute rubbish, right? It's nonsense, right? Because if you invest in your management teams and you make our world, you know, that they fully understand our world, make it that the whole gamut of what's important about credit and order to cash, you make it interesting, you make it charismatic, you make it exciting, you make it a career, all the things that we stand for in Callisto, then people won't leave.